Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions. Here are 10 benefits of zinc. 1. Immune system support. Zinc is vital for the proper functioning of the immune system. It helps in the development and activation of immune cells, which defend the body against infections and illnesses. 2. Wound healing. Zinc is involved in the process of wound healing. It helps in cell proliferation, collagen synthesis, and tissue repair, promoting faster healing of wounds. 3. Healthy skin. Zinc is beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. It helps in regulating oil production, reducing inflammation, and fighting against acne and other skin conditions. 4. Improved cognitive function. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter function and communication in the brain. It is essential for cognitive processes such as learning, memory, and mood regulation. 5. Enhanced senses. Zinc is necessary for proper sensory functions, including taste and smell. It helps in the synthesis of proteins involved in sensory perception. 6. Supports growth and development. Zinc is crucial for normal growth and development, especially during childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. It is involved in cell division, DNA synthesis, and hormone regulation. 7. Regulates hormones. Zinc plays a role in regulating various hormones in the body, including insulin, thyroid hormones, and sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen. 8. Antioxidant properties. Zinc acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. It scavenges free radicals and reduces oxidative stress in the body. 9. Supports reproductive health. Zinc is essential for reproductive health in both men and women. It plays a role in sperm production, fertility, and overall reproductive function. 10. Bone health. Zinc is involved in bone formation and mineralization. It helps in the synthesis of collagen, which is a crucial component of bones, and supports overall bone health and strength. Now, let's talk about some symptoms associated with zinc deficiency. 1. Weakened immune system. Zinc deficiency can lead to an impaired immune response, making individuals more susceptible to infections and illnesses. 2. Delayed wound healing. Insufficient zinc levels can slow down the process of wound healing, leading to delayed recovery from injuries or surgical incisions. 3. Skin problems. Zinc deficiency may result in various skin issues such as acne, eczema, dry skin, and slow wound healing. 4. Loss of appetite. Zinc deficiency can cause a decrease in appetite, leading to reduced food intake and potential weight loss. 5. Growth retardation. In children, zinc deficiency can impair growth and development, resulting in stunted growth and delayed sexual maturation. 6. Hair loss. Zinc deficiency has been associated with hair loss and thinning of hair, as zinc plays a role in maintaining healthy hair follicles. 7. Impaired taste and smell. Zinc is essential for proper taste and smell perception, so deficiency may lead to a decreased ability to taste or smell foods. 8. Mood changes. Zinc deficiency has been linked to mood disorders such as depression and anxiety, as zinc is involved in neurotransmitter function and mood regulation. 9. Eye and vision problems. Zinc deficiency may contribute to vision problems, night blindness, or impaired dark adaptation due to its role in eye health. 10. Hormonal imbalance. Zinc deficiency can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to issues such as menstrual irregularities, decreased fertility, and low libido. It's important to note that while zinc deficiency is relatively uncommon in well-nourished individuals, certain factors such as poor dietary intake, malabsorption disorders, chronic illnesses, or increased zinc requirements, such as during pregnancy or lactation, can increase the risk of deficiency. If you suspect you may have a zinc deficiency, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and management. There are several ways to ensure an adequate intake of zinc in your diet. Here are some of the best sources of zinc. First, animal-based foods. Animal products tend to be rich sources of zinc. This includes red meat, beef, lamb, pork, poultry, chicken, turkey, fish and seafood, oysters, crab, lobster, shrimp, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Second, plant-based foods. While plant-based sources generally contain less zinc compared to animal sources, they can still contribute to your zinc intake. Good plant-based sources of zinc include legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds, cashews, whole grains, wheat germ, quinoa, oats, rice, tofu and tempeh. Lastly, supplements. If you're unable to meet your zinc needs through diet alone, zinc supplements are available. These are typically available in various forms such as zinc gluconate, zinc citrate, or zinc picolinate. However, it's important to be cautious with supplementation and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements, as excessive zinc intake can have adverse effects. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more health content.